And today, $24.95, and we are going to say hello. Oh, $6.24 on any credit card. Mr. Chad Allen, I try to give you a good drum roll, sir. Yeah, oh, that's a better one.
Bobbi. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Yeah, Belle and Howell's done it again. Another world launch here at HSN. We're so thrilled. Thank you for having me in your home, and welcome to mine. I'm going to use the largest one to sort of show you what it is, and then I'm going to give you some examples and show you the problem that we're all used to dealing with. So this is the item itself. Here's just one of the 12 that you're getting, okay? It's completely flat when you store them and you're not using them. And then there's two flaps, okay? There's two flaps. And then all you're doing is looping it into each other, because all of that, friends, that is hook and loop closure. A lot. That's all adjustability. That's what that really means, okay? So when you take that around and you make yourself, I'll put my arms in here. I just want to show you something. Look at this. I can't even make it break. It's super, super strong. And then you have your grommet right on the top. This is that high performance material that is really heavy duty, not going to tear or rip or anything like that. And then of course, you know what hook and loop closure means. It means security and safety. In fact, first little demo right here, here's a weight. This is a dumbbell. I'm going to pretend like I'm some sort of strong person right now. I'll just lift it up. And I just want to show you the hook and loop closure doesn't even struggle, no trickery, doesn't even struggle to come off. All you do is wrap it around whatever surface you want, whether that's a weight, whether that's your Christmas lights, whether that's, you know, your Christmas lights, the little things that get tangled when you throw them back in the tub. What if you, each strand, what if when you took them down, you wrapped them up? And then when you stored them, when you open them the next year, you're not frustrated. I mean, it's sort of a big deal. That's sort of life-changing, because Bobbi Ray, I don't know about you, my friend, but I have one of these.
Oh, yeah.
A baggie of cords, just cords. I don't even know what they go to, but when I need one, they're tangled. I can't find them. Well, if everything in the baggie had one of the storage wraps on it, they'd all be neatly organized, neatly cleaned. There's the bathroom drawer. Maybe it's just your countertop. Maybe you don't even put it away. The flat irons, the curling wands, the cord on the electric toothbrush, the extension cords, the jumper cables that, you know, we just saw a little bit ago. The cord on the Wagner Today Special paint sprayer needs to be stored away, the power strips. But it's not just cords, and you can hang them. Oh, they have a grommet, a really strong grommet, so you can actually hang everything up and give yourself more vertical storage. But it's not just for cords, Bobbi Ray. If you have items, oh, here's another great example. I'll get to what I was going to say in a second. Oh my goodness, how many charging cords do we have for our phones, our tablets, our e-readers, our Kindles? And then here's the Christmas dilemma. Oh, nobody wants to get the Christmas lights out because they're all tangled. But here's a drill. A real drill, it works. I'm not exactly sure how to use it.
Yeah, I was going to ask you that.
Right. I knew you were. I knew it. What's important is you don't always want to store it. There's no cord on this. It's got a battery. However, I just wrap the storage wrap around the handle, and now I can hang it up. So if you have one of those pegboards in your garage and you want to get organized and super clean, maybe it's your garland if we're talking about decorations. If this was all together in a bag, it would be tangled up and messy. But by looping it around, it's very easy to do. Again, all you're doing, and then I'll give it back to you, Bobbi Ray, but all you're doing is taking the hook and loop side to the hook and loop side, creating that circle, and then just to show you the strength, I can't even break it if I wanted to, and then that grommet on the top allows you to hang it and store it or put it in the drawer without any tangles and any mess. The only choice you have to make, because you're getting 12, Bobbi, my favorite's the red, but I think we have a couple other colors as well.
We do. We have the red, we have the blue, we have the black, and thank you guys, because this is super popular. No one has seen this at all. And then the other cool thing about it, whenever you have a hook and loop closure, look, you have complete customizability, right? So you need something a little wider, you open it up. You need something a little tighter, you roll it down. So you are in control, and the fact that you're getting the whole set, yours obviously is just that color choice, but the grommet that allows you the chance to hang it. But to really, to Chad's point, these are super, super, super durable. Super durable, super strong, and they are going to organize your life. This is an item, another one of those items that I know that once you get it home, and to get it home for what, $6.24 today on any credit card, you are gonna be coming back for more. Nobody has seen it. This is a world launch. Howell, for over 100 years, they have been bringing us incredible, innovative items that just basically, you know, change the way we live, organize the way we live. And today, this is a great Father's Day gift, right? And we keep going, Mother's Day, Father's Day. You know, give them something that they can actually use, because it's about, and you know, with those Christmas lights, how many years you get them all out, you put them all on the tree, one goes out if you have those, and then you take the whole thing down, or the fact that you shoved them in somewhere they don't work. Same thing with all of our hair tools, right? Or all of your different cores. So, and I love the variety of sizes also, Chad, that we have with this.
Yeah, any size is perfect for a lot of different projects, but Bell & Howell's been around over 110 years. You know, there's quality built into this. Extension cords, no more struggle, but even down to the brown. I had brown sugar because you want to keep it closed, right? And I didn't have anything that was big enough to wrap my brown sugar and keep it closed. And I didn't have a baggie big enough either. Well, I use a storage wrap, and now I'm able to put it in the pantry, and I'm not worried about the bag coming in sealed. Bobbi,
Fabulous.
Bell & Howell, you can't go wrong. Just which color to pick up. That's the struggle.
Thank you so much, Chad. 736-308-2495 and 4 FlexPay today and today only. Well, thank you guys so much for being with me. By the way, find me, Bobbi Ray Carter, on Instagram and on Facebook. The fun of shopping is going to continue because Alice is coming up next to offer you even more in our spring home